Poly G7500 is an advanced enterprise solution that integrates several cutting-edge technologies to elevate the meeting room experience. With AI-powered features like Poly Director AI for smart camera framing, NoiseBlock AI, and Acoustic Fence technologies, the G7500 is designed to deliver a more intelligent and seamless video conferencing experience. The use of the Android operating system simplifies the deployment process, while PolyLens cloud connectivity makes management and monitoring effortless. With the recent certification for Microsoft Teams rooms on Android, the Poly G7500 can now be deployed to any room size or shape, offering flexibility and scalability for businesses. Furthermore, its support for third-party audio DSP providers ensures high-quality audio performance. One of its standout benefits is the ability to reuse existing infrastructure like sound systems, screens, and cabling, making it cost-effective to upgrade current meeting rooms. In summary, the Poly G7500 is designed to hypercharge your meeting rooms with state-of-the-art AI technology, Microsoft Teams compatibility, and an efficient, user-friendly deployment process.